and take that gun right there and shoot at this red star for me. Perfect.
Perfect.
It says you've ridden on a ride like this, just remember to keep your arms on the outside, so I'm not too worried about you.
Okay.
So, alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, go ahead.
Thank you.
Right to the very end. Very good. All right, stay seated just a moment. We'll move up a little bit here. Now you were cart number 5.
5,
okay?
right?
All right, so you are good to go. Head
Awesome.
back into the score shed. Your score will be on the top of the screen. Okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
You betcha.
So we have made it to Buffalo Hunt roller coaster. This roller coaster is absolutely insane. So you go around, you get 2 guns, or 1 per person, I guess. I guess you could dual wield. And you go on this track and shoot buffaloes. It is absolutely insane. And a turkey. There's 1 turkey down there. There are targets like zip tied to the buffaloes, which makes it hilarious. This is very similar to the like inverted shooting roller coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, but this one's way better because you're shooting buffaloes, and you swing way more, and you're a lot higher up off the ground next to the highway. And also there's a lot of motorcycles because it is rally week, the beginning of rally week here in near Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. But yeah, this thing was insane. So much fun. It is braked at certain sections, so you don't, you know, fly off or anything like that, but you do swing a lot. It is crazy how much you swing. So much fun. This thing was incredible. The targets work pretty well. What's awesome is they give you a practice target to shoot to make sure your gun works, and you just go around. Of course, there's 2 lift hills, or technically I guess 4, but this is 1 giant lift hill. That's 3, and you're just going around shooting the targets. The targets are red and they turn blue when you hit them. It didn't seem like you can hit the same target more than once, but yeah.
Good.
All right.
How about that one? You are on fire. Are you ready for this?
I am ready.
Let's do this.
Awesome.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
There, cart
Awesome.
number 2 that time.
All right.
You are good to go, sir.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, car 2 distance. Not bad. That's what you got last time, right?
Yeah, I think I was cart 3. Yeah, exactly the same. But yeah, definitely an awesome roller coaster. This thing really surprised me. I had really low expectations because of the one in Pigeon Forge is pretty okay, but this one was amazing. It's right off the side of the highway, and you have a pretty nice view. Great view over here. But yeah, awesome ride. So much fun. It also seems like your gun has a certain range, because like I was trying to shoot a target from like across the course and it didn't work, or maybe I was missing, I don't know. But yeah, overall great ride. Definitely make it out here. This thing is 3 years old. It opened like, you know, with not many people know about it. I've never really heard of it until I kind of saw it was in the area and I was like, wanted to check it out. But definitely try out the Buffalo Hunt roller coaster. Such an amazing ride. It was so much fun. Great ride. It's very unique, just hilarious. The fact that you're just shooting buffaloes. Such a unique ride. You swing like crazy. You're shooting buffaloes with zip-tied targets. Just incredible ride. Like look at this target. And I love it. So much fun. And this is right next to a chuck wagon show, apparently, or like where you eat. But yeah, amazing ride. Very fun. I definitely highly recommend coming out here because it was so much fun. And the guys are pretty cool too that operate the area. They're like talking about the history and stuff like that about this coaster. But yeah, definitely come out here. And it's not too expensive. I think it was like $11 for one ride, you know. 22 obviously, like, you know, and then like for multiple rides, I think it's like unlimited rides, it's like I think $24. So not too expensive at all. Definitely worth it. Very fun. And I got 2 rides on it, and I got the same ride, the same score both times. I got like 323 points both times I rode. But it was the top score of the day for now. You know, it's pretty early, 10 a.m. And I think like mostly kids have been riding it, so definitely very fun ride. Come out here and check it out. I highly recommend it. Very unique. I love the theme. You're shooting buffaloes. Amazing, amazing ride. Cannot praise this ride enough. Oh, apparently it was a Dances with Wolves movie set here, so that's cool. And they have like a old like Western town themed area, so I guess that might be where the movie set is. But yeah, definitely great ride, very fun, smooth. The swinging is kind of terrifying, especially if you're swinging like really high up off the ground. Definitely come out, do the Buffalo Hunt Coaster. So much fun.